What is up you guys? Welcome back again to my channel. For today ay meron tayong panibagong lesson. Pero bago tayo tumungo doon, balikan muna natin yung nakaraan kong tinuro sa inyo. Yun ay ang translating English phrase to mathematical phrase and vice versa. So, kung nais yung balikan yon, ilalagay ko yung link sa description sa baba. So, ano bang inaantay natin? Ang lesson natin today is all about algebraic expression and all the other related terms to it. So, let's move on na sa ating lesson. So, first, let's go to algebraic expression. So, ano nga ba ibig sabihin ng algebraic expression? It is an expression which is made up of variables. So, pag sinabi natin yung variables, yan yung mga letters. And constants. Pag sinabi natin constants, yung numbers. Along with algebraic operations, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and so on. So, ang algebraic expression, pwedeng variable lang siya, pwedeng number lang siya, or pinagsama-sama na with operations. So, example, so, pwedeng x lang, or y, or pwede ring xy, or pag may number na, for x, y, o kaya naman negative 5, or 6 plus 5x, or y plus x. Or pwede rin namang x minus y. So, marami pang pwede. Kung meron pa kayong naisip, ilagay nyo na lang sa comment section below. Ang sunod naman na i-define natin is variable. So, when we say variable, it is any letter or symbol that may be changed its value in particular situation. So, pag sinabi natin variable, any letter yan, pwede, or kahit anong symbol. Pero dito sa pag-aaralan natin, mostly ang gamit natin is letter. So, pag sinabing it changes its value, ibig sabihin, kahit anong i-assign ng teacher, halimbawa, let x be equal to 3. So, pabago-bago siya. Okay? So, hindi po constant yung value ng variable. Depende po sa given sa bawat evaluating of algebraic expressions. Okay? So, for example, we have here so, all the English alphabet. Yan. Pwede po yun. All the English alphabet. From A to Z. Yan. Mostly po ang gamit is small letters. And pwede po gamitin yan simula A hanggang Z. Pero madalas lang talaga nakikita natin is X. The next definition naman is term. So, pag sinabi nating term, it is a number. So, pwedeng number lang siya, or a variable, or a product of numbers and variables. So, pwedeng number lang siya, or variable lang, or pinagsama na numbers and variables. So, mas madali siyang makikita kung it is being separated by plus or minus signs. So, bawat sineseparate ng plus and minus signs, yun ay tinatawag na term. So, for example, so here we have examples of 3 algebraic expressions. So, yung mga terms dyan. So, we have here, yan, 4x lang po. Nag-iisa lang po yung term since wala naman pong plus or minus signs. So, dito naman po, since merong tayong plus sign and sineparate niya tong dalawa. So, yan po yung dalawang term natin. X at saka Y. And then here, so meron tayong tatlong terms kasi may pinaghiwalay or gumamit ng minus sign at plus sign. So, ito yung unang term, pangalawang term, and then pangatlong term. So, sulat natin dito. 4x squared, and then yung isa is negative 3x. And then yung isa is 5y. So, yan po yung mga terms. Ayan. So, tandaan natin, yung mga term ay pinaghihiwalay ng plus or minus signs. Like, these 3. So, next to define is constant. So, when we say constant, it are the terms in the algebraic expression that contain number only, or the terms without variable. So, pag sinabi natin constant, yan yung mga number lang. Okay? Per term, di ba, may mga terms tayo. Yung number lang, yun ang tinatawag na constant. Okay? Or, yun yung mga terms na walang kasamang variable. So, we have here 3 examples of algebraic expression. So, we have here 4. So, nag-iisa lang yan term na yan. At wala siyang kasamang variable. So siya ay constant. So, we put this. And then here, si 5 lang yung walang kasamang variable. So, constant siya. And then here naman, sa 4x squared minus 6x minus 10, si negative 10 lang yung walang kasamang variable. So, ang constant dyan is negative 10. So, tandaan, pag constant, yan yung term na walang kasamang variable. Let's have another one. So, numerical coefficient. So, when we say numerical coefficient, it is the number part of an algebraic term. So, per term, meron kasamang number yung bawat variables. So, yun yung tinatawag nating numerical coefficient. So, si 4x, isang term lang yan. Ano yung kasamang number sa algebraic term? So, ano yung number dyan? So, 4. So, ayun yung numerical coefficient. Dito naman, meron tayong dalawang term. We have negative 3x at saka positive 5y. So, yung first term is negative 3x. So, ang number doon is negative 3. So, yun yung isusulat natin. And then, dito naman sa 5y, ang number part dyan is 5. So, dalawa po yung numerical coefficients sa number 2. So, for number 3, we have 3 terms. 7a, negative 3b, and then 4c. So, ang number part ng 7a is positive 7. And then, ang number part ng negative 3b is negative 3. And then, ang number part ng 4c ay positive 4. So, tandaan natin, pag numerical coefficient, per term, yung number part doon, yun yung numerical coefficient. Okay, let's now have literal coefficient. So, from the word literal, means letters or variables. So, sa per term natin, di ba merong, kanina yung numerical coefficient, yun yung number. So, yung partner naman ng number na letter or variable or pinagsama-sama mga variables, yun naman yung literal coefficient. Okay? So, dito, isang term lang tayo, 4x lang. So, ang variable dyan, or yung products of variables kung meron man, is x. So, yun lang po yung literal coefficient niya. Now, we have here, next, number 2. We have here negative 3x plus 5y squared. So, we have 2 terms here. Negative 3x first. Yan yung algebraic term natin yung una. So, ang kasama niyang variable or product of variables ay x. So, sulat natin dyan. And then, sa pangalawa naman is 5y squared. So, ang kasama ng number na 5 ay y squared. So, sulat natin yon, y squared. Okay? So, kokopyahin lang natin kung ano yung kasama ng number. So, dito naman is we have 3 terms. We have 7a minus 3b plus 4c d cubed. So, we have here 7a. So, ang kasama ni 7 ay a. And then, sa negative 3b, ang kasama naman ni negative 3 ay b. And then, sa 4c d cubed, ang kasama ni number 4 ay c d cubed. Ayan. Basta kung ano lang yung kasama ng number per term, yun yung literal coefficient. So, now, iput natin sa practice yung ating mga natutunan kanina. So, we have here 3 algebraic expressions. And then, we have to determine the variable, constant, term, or terms, numerical coefficients, and then literal coefficients. So, for number 1, we have 2x minus 3. So, ang variable dyan ay x. And then, sa constant naman, yung nag-iisang number lang na term is negative 3. A. And then for term, meron tayong dalawang term. We have 2x. Ayan, pinaghiwalay sila ng minus sign at saka negative 3. And then for the numerical coefficient, sino ba yung may kasamang variable? Si 2x, di ba? So, ang number part dyan is 2. And then, ang kasama niyang variable or product of variables kung meron man. Pero dito kasi wala, isa lang siya. So, x, yan yung literal coefficient. Si negative 3, hindi natin siya isasama dito sa numerical coefficient since siya ay constant. Wala naman siyang kasamang variable. On to the next, number 2 tayo. 3x squared plus 4y. So, we have the variables. Yan, yung variable dito is x. Letters lang po X, kabila naman is y. And then, constant, wala po tayong nakikita, walang solo na number. So, blanco yan. And then, for the term, meron tayong dalawa. 3x squared, isa naman is 4y or positive 4y. And then, for the numerical coefficient, tingin tayo dito. So, dito muna tayo sa 3x squared. Ang number part dyan ay 3. And then, sa 4y, ang number part ay 4. Then, for the literal coefficient, ang kasama ni 3 ay x squared. And then, ang kasama ni 4y ay y. So, that's it for number 2. Now, let's proceed to number 3. We have 2/3 xyz minus 3a plus b. So, lahat muna ng variable. So, meron variable na x, y, tsaka z. Ano pa? Ito naman sa negative 3a, merong a. And then sa b is b. Okay, constant. Meron bang solong number? Wala. So, leave it blank. And then for the terms, meron tayong tatlong terms. Ito, 2/3 xyz. Ano pa? Ito, negative 3a. At saka b. Ayan, so tatlo. Then for the numerical coefficient, dito muna tayo sa unang term, 2/3 xyz. Ang number part ay 2/3. And then sa negative 3a, ang number part ay negative 3. And then sa b naman, akala nyo walang number yan, pero meron yung kasamang 1. Yan, hindi na lang sinusulat. So, ang numerical coefficient niya ay 1. So, next we have the literal coefficient. So, ito muna tayo sa unang term, 2/3 xyz. So, ang literal coefficient dyan ay, yung kasama ni 2/3, yun ay x, y, tsaka z. Ito naman sa negative 3a, kasama ni negative 3 ay a. And then, dito naman sa b, kasama ni 1 ay b. So, yan po yung mga sagot natin dito sa algebraic expressions, sa tatlong algebraic expressions. So, ito yung variables nila, constant, terms, numerical coefficients, and literal coefficients. So, meron tayong blanco sa constant since sa number 2, walang number lang. And then, sa number 3, walang term na number lang din. So, kung wala po talagang sagot, leave it blank. Huwag po maglalagay kung wala naman talagang sagot. Huwag nating ipilit kung wala talaga. Charot. So, that's it. Nawa ay may natutunan kayo sa ating lesson today. That is all for today, guys. Salamat po sa panonood ng aking video lesson. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell so that you will be notified sa mga susunod ko pang mga video lessons. So that's it for today. I hope you had a great time watching my video. Bye-bye, everybody. Stay safe and God bless you. Wear your mask and wash your hands. Annyeong!